It wouldn't be Christmas without the dads always coming in with their Santa hat, going ho ho ho, it's Santa, and then doing their silly Santa dancing, you know, the typical things which they still think is funny, but I'm like, Dad, I'm nearly 40 now, it's not funny.
So there's a tradition that my mother did every Christmas, and this is something that I brought over to my boyfriend's family, which is taking oranges and putting cloves into the oranges so that they look like little hedgehogs.
So my Christmases were spent at my auntie's mental health initiative, and they would just kind of do a big spread, a Caribbean, English type of fusion. Our responsibility was to interact with the patients, help set up, play games with them, just kind of give them a nice Christmas.
Back in Vietnam, we were not celebrating Christmas, we were celebrating the New Year. But when we arrived in France, then we started to realize that Christmas was a big celebration, so we started to actually, you know, adopt this new tradition, but still with a Vietnamese meal.
And my grandma, who sadly, she passed away towards the end of her life, whenever we played this game, she would always not realise it wasn't her go and shout out all the answers, because she was really clever, she would often get them right. So every time we sit down at Christmas and play this board game, it's always a nice memory of her.
Favourite part of Christmas Day is another family tradition, but I'm 32 years old and my dad still checks before we go in the living room to make sure Santa's been